So what's going on, Gas Gang? My name's Jamie, welcome back to Officially Gas. Now today guys, today is the day. We are back down at Devil Developments with the Ford Fiesta ST and we're about to go stage 3. Stay tuned for this one, it's gonna be sick. Let's get it. So yes guys, as the intro said, today we are down at Devil Developments with the Ford Fiesta ST, and you know what, it's so windy out here, I'm gonna quickly jump in my car to speak to you. Anyway, all right, cool guys, so yes, as promised, today is the day we're going stage 3, and I can't wait. Literally, this car right now is stage 1. We just got an ECU map on it, and that is literally it. I think it made 227 point something brake horsepower, and it's been real nippy. Today we got a load of things going on the car, because obviously we're going from a stage 1 with no hardware, pretty much all the way up to a stage 3. I don't know exactly what kind of power we're aiming for. I just know that it's going to be quicker, and hopefully quick enough that Corona can't catch me. As I said, we got quite a lot of different parts going on. We've got a few guys involved in it, PUMA Speed, AIRTEC, obviously Devil Developments, so it's going to be real interesting. So guys, I'm not going to waffle for too much longer. Let's get in there, get the car on the ramp and get cracking. Let's get it. The car is now inside. As you can see, Ben is working away on it. We're going to be doing this in stages. As I say, there's a lot of things going on today, and we've opted to change over the intercooler first. Obviously, going stage 3, we need a bigger intercooler. So what we've went for, and what AIRTEC has basically helped us out with, is an AIRTEC stage 3 one. So what we have in front of us here is basically all the bits that are going on, including the intercooler. As I say, we are doing the intercooler first. What I will do is intro every part a little bit more as Ben takes the old one off and we put the new bit on. We've got a nice array of bits, all the ingredients we need to make a nice stage 3 beast. So as you see, we've got turbo, we got intake, we got hard pipes. All this is from PUMA Speed. So we've got PUMA Speed intake, hard pipes, boost pipes. As you see over here, we've got our 6 Scorpion exhaust going on. But as I say, we will touch on everything here a little bit more in detail as and when it goes on the car. So without further ado, I'm just going to hand it over to Ben, let him crack on. And as I say, we will speak a little bit more about each product going on the vehicle as it goes on, with the aim at the end of this to create a little beast. Just wanted to show you the differences between a stock intercooler on the ST and what we're putting on. Here we have the stock unit that come off. Ben whipped it out like a good one. Just show you the kind of the diameter, if it will focus, and the width, and then the one that's going on. So there's obviously quite a big difference in between the two. Diameter wise, slightly thinner at the top, but it's kind of like doubled up down here at the bottom. I'll just show you, put them together to make it a little bit clearer. Obviously, height-wise, you're looking, this AIRTEC one's probably 3 times as tall, and then a lot wider at the bottom. So it's got a lot more cubic capacity than that one, and this is gonna obviously aid us cooling the air down with all the other new bits going on, so, and the new power. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much, but that's what we're going on. So a shout out to AIRTEC for supplying this to me. And yeah, black and red kind of contrast, I thought would look quite cool. I think the AIRTEC will be seen from under the bumper, or behind the grille, should I say. So yeah, I'm gonna let Ben get back into cracking on and getting this one on. Right guys, so next up, as you can see, Ben has whipped the exhaust out. We have no exhaust on. As you see, it's on the floor. We got it here. And we've lined it up next to our new system going on. So basically what we've got here is a Scorpion resonated catback exhaust. In fact, turbo back exhaust, that's a lie, it's a turbo back. As you see, we've got a catless downpipe right here, resonated, so it's not gonna be too loud. Obviously, these cars have got a little bit of a bad name for being chavvy. I don't want my car too loud. I want it to sound nice. And no, before you ask, we ain't putting no pop and bang map on this. If it bangs a flame, if it bangs a pop, I want it to sound natural. Slightly bigger, not a massive kind of difference, but at the same time, look at the rust on this old system. Jesus Christ. So what we've got is obviously the dual exit at the back. Unfortunately, we can't fist it, but it still looks good. Hopefully it will look, yeah, just tasteful. Tasteful is what we're going for today, guys, tasteful. We've also got some PowerFlex exhaust mounts going on. So, that's it, 2 PowerFlex exhaust mounts going on, catless downpipe, resonated Scorpion system. There you go. Alright Ben, so we're ripping through everything today real quick. You're a busy man, but I've just stopped you to quickly talk about the turbo that's going on today. What are we calling this turbo, bro?
Let's call it the ST300.
okay, but it's a LITTCO product,
it's a
essentially.
LITTCO turbo, yeah.
And do you want to tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, it's not going to be a massive frame turbo, so 300 is where we like it to be. So it's not going to be like as big as some of the others, the 330, 350 range. It's going to be 280, 300. That's what it's for.
Yep.
We replace quite a lot of liners on these engines because they split. So we want something that's just going to work with the standard engine. There's no chance of it blowing up. It's just going to be a nice, safe.
Yeah, and that's what we want. That's what we want.
It's just going to be cost effective, safe increase, no troubles, no hassles.
Can we talk about the size difference? Because there are massive differences actually, isn't there? Although it's not you're saying it's not a massive turbo. There's not a.
No, these are mad how small the actual turbines are.
Yeah,
I mean, it's amazing that it does 230 horsepower anyway.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
Bigger turbine with quite an aggressive clip on it as well. So.
Yeah. Oh, well, you can see that, but yeah.
See how much we've machined out there.
Yeah.
Big Phillips compressor wheel on there, so you can see how much has been machined out again.
Yeah.
Nice billet wheel on there. Place the little tiny one.
And that one is it's crazy, isn't it? You would never think that one actually makes the power it does. Such a small turbo, but quite efficient. And spool time on this one, obviously not being as big as perhaps the others, is going to be quite.
To be honest with you, even the bigger ones, they're not that bad.
Okay.
It's a small DI engine. Everything's very small on these. The power thing's small, so it's got real high airspeed. None of them are that bad.
Okay, cool.
But it should drive the same, but make a bit more.
We're also running a different turbo elbow. Do you want to just quickly run us through that? Because there's quite a.
Yeah, I mean, you can run this, but it'd be stupid not to, because obviously that elbow, that diameter matches up with that perfectly. So when you machine that out, to put a bigger wheel in it, you're sort of putting quite a big restriction in it.
Got ya.
So what we're doing is running this turbo elbow, PUMA speed, so it's much bigger.
Yeah.
It's just gonna match up to the
turbo. How things flow. Ben's been flat out, and sorry if I am flying through this info quite quick because there's so much to do, you just want to get it done. But I've actually missed the part where I was meant to show you about the intake that's going on. It's basically a PUMA speed intake. Obviously it's freer flowing. So there you can see the intake, so it's a cone filter and it faces down. It's all from PUMA speed. We've got a silicone hose and a PUMA speed hard pipe. What do they call this? The crossover pipe or something? No?
Sometimes.
I don't know. It's a pipe and it's white and it's from PUMA speed. So it's just about to go on a dyno. He's finished all the work on it now. All the parts are on. We flashed the stage 3 map on. Obviously, I did say that we're not going to put a pop and bang map on it, but what we thought, just for fun, just for the dyno, we'd put a pop and bang map on it just to get some flames. Believe me, that map is coming off and we'll just be putting a normal map on it. So I thought I'd show you some induction noise also whilst we're here. So bro, when you're ready, let her rip. Nice. guys, so the first few runs on the dyno, we thought we'd just leave the pop and bang map on just to get some flames. As you can see, it's banging flames left, right and center, which is quite cool. But realistically, it's actually taking power away from the car. So we're gonna flash on the other stage 3 hybrid map and see what it makes. 288, I think, 288.9, which isn't bad. We thought this turbo was gonna make around 280 to 300 brake horsepower, and we seem to be in the realms of good. So yeah, basically once it's flashed back on, we get back on the dyno. Probably won't be no flames, pops and bangs, but hopefully we'll make a little bit more power. Let's get back in. So there you go, guys. 302.4. Happy. Well, when I come today, I didn't even really know what the aim was with the turbo. I know that we was going stage 3, obviously. They generally make around 280 plus brake horsepower. Obviously, Ben said to me, we're looking 280 to 300. And there you go, the first run with the pops and bangs, as I said, was like 288. So yeah, 302 brake, which I'm very happy about. As you've seen, Ben's done a lot of work today. He's literally smashed it out, and yeah, just take my hat off to him. So 302 today.
Yeah.
Happy with the result?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good. I'll just show you the chart. Maybe you could tell people a little bit more about our kind of progress and stages.
Yeah, so this is red. It's totally stock. 200. Then the stage 1.
Yep.
And then blue's where we are now. So.
It's a massive jump actually over stage 1, isn't it? So that's stock to stage 1.
Yeah.
So a little jump, and then you've got massive jump. I mean, but we need to be looking peak, don't we? Really?
Yeah, up in peak. But the interesting thing was obviously it's no more laggy at all.
Okay.
So same lag as stock setup. So we've got torque in there as well. So 2,200 RPM upwards. There is no more lag at all.
Got ya.
So you're making the gains everywhere. So we've got 330 foot-pounds of torque. And we're making a lot of way across, obviously. 130 foot-pounds up on the stock. So
Gee, she's
the
gonna
whole
pull.
RPM range. Nice.
Yeah.
Quick little car.
Wicked.
Yeah.
Well, bro, thank you again. You don't understand how much work this guy puts in. Like, I've just rolled the car in basically stock. He just banged out a stage 3, like in one day. It's still light. You don't mess around. And mapped it, dynoed it. He's a wizard. So there you go. Stage 3 car, he's happy, I'm happy, everybody's happy. I can't wait to get on track. I think he's coming out now. Eco Beast. The rip. Jeez, look at the wheel peel. Jeez. All right, guys, so we're gonna end the video there. That is a wrap. Today, I've rolled in with my stage 1 Fiesta, and I've rolled out with a stage 3 302 brake horsepower beast. And yes, I'm calling it a beast because I know these cars, once they're tuned around 300 brake, they fly. I can't wait to get my first drive in and show you what kind of reaction this gives me, because it's just gonna be mental. Also, guys, I just wanna give Ben a massive shout out from Devil Developments for just cracking on with the work today and just, you know what I mean? Stock car pretty much to a stage 3, one day, no fuss, dynoed, everything, you know what I mean? Job done. He's a wizard. So a massive shout out to Ben at Devil Developments. Also a massive shout out to LITTCO for supplying the turbo. Massive shout out to PUMA Speed for supplying the intake, the boost pipes and all the other bits. Also a massive shout out to AIRTEC for supplying the front mount massive intercooler. Guys, it's been a sick day. Also what I will do is I'll leave links below to all those guys. So PUMA Speed, AIRTEC, LITTCO and Devil Developments. Any inquiries, please don't hesitate to check any of these guys out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today. Can't wait to make my next video on this Fiesta. But for now, I'm gonna leave it here. So we'll catch you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out, guys.